Hello again, toy car collectors. How is everybody doing out there today? So let me just start this video out by saying that if you hear a bunch of background noise in this video, other than my normal background noise, that is the wind, folks. It is blowing crazy this evening, and it's a good evening to be hunkered down in the house. So anyways, I got a couple of Hot Wheels in the past couple weeks that were carded, and ones I was missing out of my collection, so I thought I'd take a look at those. First, I've got this awesome blue Nissan hardbody pickup, and this one is from the 90s, and that is out of the Blue Streak series. So I finally completed that 4-car series. For whatever reason, this blue pickup always seemed to go for a lot of money. And yeah, not sure why, but it always went for a lot of money. So I'm very happy to have added that. Like I said, I bought it on a card at my local antique mall. I paid $3 for it, so I'm super happy with that one. I love that truck. There are a couple other cars in that series that were really cool cars. There's a 442 and a 55 Chevy. Both worth getting, in my opinion, if you don't have them. All the same color, same blue. So, yeah, one's got the sort of razor blade, saw blade tires, whatever you want to call them. So awesome. I'm sort of keeping the theme with the big exposed engine. Oh, he got me one of these pink first edition Corvettes. Sorry about the bounce in there. Yeah, I paid $3 for that one too. I have the purple one. I never had the pink one. This one's got the chrome seats. This one's got basic wheels. So yeah, very happy to add that. Thought it might look pretty cool there with that blue truck with the big old engine sticking out the back. Those are some good scores. Thanks for watching, everybody.